We got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Army Navy Outdoors. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Again, Army Navy Outdoors. Let's get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see how we can get this open. There we go. Right, so do see a manifest. Oh, interesting. Okay, so their manifests list the items, and they give you a little picture to help describe what's in there. Particularly since this one has a bundle kit, so this will be helpful in identifying the little items in here. So we got a lot of loot here. Well, first off, I'll try to grab this and see. This is listed as military issue 1 quart canteen with M1 NBC Cap. You can see here the molded in lettering, instructions. You have a label, and here's our cap with the flip up, and then you put your straw in there. And then be able to drink through your mask. Alright, so that was the 1 quart canteen with M1 NBC Cap. Next up, squishy, we have a multi-page manifest here. This is a GI issue 2 quart collapsible bladder canteen, and we have 2 of these. And here how squishy they are. Both got the caps. Set those aside. Alright, what else we got going on here? Military issue 2 quart desert cover and canteen kits. So this is the covers for those 2 canteens. You can see that US marked. Got our opening here. Come on, there we go. So you pinch there, and this would fit in. Something like this. I'm not going to try to cram it in right now. Here's your filling instructions. Shoulder strap. Lettering on the back. Let's see. Looks like the same lot. And molly clips, Alice clips, fur line for insulation. And these do appear to be new, along with the canteens. So that is the components for the new military 2 quart desert cover and canteen kit. So you get the 2 bladders and 2 covers with the straps. Alright. Next up, to continue the theme, we got military issue Arctic canteen and cup used. So you can see it has the cup component, the canteen component, and the kind of expansion chamber on the canteen to prevent bursting. And just put that right there for now. That'll be loud. Alright, next up, we already started dropping some stuff here. Let's go through the novelty items since they're right here. Dummy grenade pineapple. So I got two different ones here. Not bad. These do look like reproduction casings. Maybe not. No, yeah. But the tops actually look original. Nice. Alright, so the last thing is a military issue mag pouch bundle kit. So let's go through the components here. Looking at pictures. Give me a moment to figure this all out. Might be mistaken, but trying to find. Is this it? Okay. I do believe this is the Canteen pouch. Coyote Molly 2 Canteen Utility GP pouch military surplus. So that should fit this. Okay, this is part number 1, so I don't think I need this part of the manifest anymore. We're supposed to have this might be the 100 round military ammo pouch, Eagle M60. This is a USMC issue Coyote Molly dump pouch, military surplus. It's getting a little bit easier the further we go along. This one is a Eagle triple M4 military mag pouch, surplus grade 1. Supposed to have 4, so there are 4 of these. I'm just going to hold this one up real quick. 4 of the USMC M4 AR-15 single double Coyote mag pouch surplus. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. And last but not least, we got 2 of the US issue Coyote 30 round speed reload pouches. Whew, okay, we made it. So working our way backwards as parts of the military issue mag pouch bundle kit. So this was a bundle of items that were sold together. Working our way backwards, US issue Coyote 30 round speed reload pouch, 2 of these. We also had 4 of the USMC M4 AR-15 single double Coyote mag pouch surplus. Eagle double triple M4 military mag pouch surplus grade 1. USMC issue Coyote Molly dump pouch military surplus. Eagle M60 100 round military ammo pouch, and I had these subcomponents in here. You notice how these all snapped into place as well. So you can mount this a few different ways in your kit. You also had the Coyote Molly 2 Canteen Utility GP Pouch Military Surplus. Again, all parts of the military issue mag pouch bundle kit. Okay, continuing to novelty dummy grenade pineapple. We also had the, sorry, dropping my list here, the military issue Arctic Canteen and Cup used. We also had 2 of the new military 2-quart desert cover and canteen kits. So we got the bladders plus the covers with straps, and we started off with a military issue 1-quart canteen with M1 NBC Cap. These all came from Army Navy Outdoors. Feel free to check them out. As you can see, large variety of items on their site. Always check out what's in stock. Army Navy Outdoors. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and other expanded topics. We also do a series of book review media reviews, and also a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.